another vlog of Danny Ray Lives. My name is Danielle, and for those of you who might be new here, I started my travel vlog when my dad and I took a sailboat down to the Florida Keys. I recently bought a van that I converted into a little camper unit, and I am yet again taking off on another boat down to Florida for the winter, so I'm really excited for all of that. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below and hit the little notification bell so that you get notified when I post new videos. And today we are driving back downstate. We have some family emergencies, I guess you could say, that we need to go and take care of down there. So we are headed back downstate, but we are making the most out of it. It's a beautiful day for travel. I'm listening to all sorts of podcasts, so it's a really, really great day. And yeah, we are going to keep on trucking.
Just trying to grind it out and keep going.
Yep, not putting all of your eggs in one basket is a critical thing that I try to teach people. Some of them listen, some of them don't, and so that's one of those things to where.
Yeah, how far is Petoskey?
Oh shit, 20 minutes.
Oh, that's not bad. All right, we're making some paninis. Dad fired up our panini press all the way over there with the generator. And I just got to figure out how to cut this smoked Gouda, but we're doing bacon and smoked Gouda paninis, and I'm just cutting some strawberries up. I found over time, like living on boats for sure and in the van, that it's always better when you buy groceries to repackage it. Get some good Tupperware, get some good solid, baggies. Unfortunately, I've tried to use those bags that are reusable and I don't really like them. So I do buy bags, but I have reusable Tupperware, and I try to do most of my stuff in Tupperware. And just like cutting up some strawberries, putting it in a Tupperware, it's gonna last me twice as long, which is nice. It's gonna last twice as long, and it's ready to go, so it's easy. So when you're like, oh, I want some yogurt and granola, first thing in the morning, you don't have to cut your strawberries to go in there or anything like that. You just grab them, put them in. So easy. That's a pro van life tip for you.
It's the end of the world, Illuminati is coming. Gather the boys and girls and watches it all unfurls. They clutching at all they pearls and no one asking for guidance. Stimulus check, won't you cash app that? I got niggas and they said that respect they black. Politicians and they said don't know how to act. That's why we sitting on the wrong track. Back to the...
So also guys, if you all want a chance to support my channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell to get the notifications. Subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like the content that I am creating, and maybe head over to Patreon and become a patron for me, or head over to Patreon and become a patron for me. For any of the dollar amount tiers that you guys sign up for, I am sending you a free Danny Ray Lives t-shirt, which will be in the mail very, very soon. My logo's almost done, and then I'm getting some t-shirts printed. So it's almost set to go. But yeah, thank you guys all for just watching this video. I appreciate you guys a lot. So stay tuned. Keep watching.
All kinds of shit.
All right, so our plywood for a little van project we got going today did not fit. So Corinne is holding the door and I'm holding the plywood, and Dad's gonna take it slow. Welcome to Windfall Crew. Corinne, you're hired.
Woo! We're getting...
All right, well, we made it to my grandpa's house. Oh, thought that door would stay open. Made it to my grandpa's house here in Ludington, and we went to Lowe's and bought some material because we are going to actually make a table for myself. We're gonna glue it all together tonight, and tomorrow we're gonna epoxy it and throw some kind of resin over the top and make it cool, and then yeah, we're gonna put it all together. So it'll be fun. It was $110 at Lowe's for all of the materials, so I hope it looks good.
Well, that's weird. Well, it ain't gonna matter. We want it 2 foot by 2 foot.
Something ain't right.
Pretty.
And it's okay to be rich. My mama always told me I was destined for greatness. But my mama also, she told me take care of the kids and everybody around the world that can't fight for it. So it's a Hakuna Matata, beast on the water, pray to provider. Please don't divide us. Keep that and try to face your intruder to be someone brighter. Yeah, all the mind if you don't listen that much. But some of y'all don't listen at all. Same shit.
So it's all glued together. We just gotta wait overnight for it to dry. All right, well, Windfall Crew decided it was splish splash take a bath time.
Yeah, gangsta, what up?
So we're gonna go swim at my dad's secret location.
The secret.
So
Cannot
secret.
disclose.
No, we cannot disclose.
Sorry, not sorry.
Made some delicious paninis again, but this time we got some roasted red pepper and tomato soup. How is it? You took a bite already, didn't you?
It's delicious.
I love cheese. It brings me to my knees. She ain't no better. Kobe, she always on me.
Mozzarella is better than my brother. Yo, go listen to pigeons.
Yes, pigeons playing ping pong. That's who that is.
They're pretty.
All right, Dad is sanding down my table now. Cut the edges off. Corinne might take them for a little souvenir. She is painting. We painted the boat as well, but we are painting this, and it's gonna go over my fridge. Table, and we got this painted, and it looks really good. It's gonna be so cute together. A little friend on our table. Hi, little guy. This dry. It looks pretty good. Everything is kind of cut out of it. It's got a hinge on it. And I think it'll work really well. And then my table, we just got to sand and I routed out the UP, and then we're gonna do epoxy whip. All right, everyone. Like always, I am just here transferring some footage from the day and writing in my journal. Just hanging out. Yeah, I've got that new rug, which looks really, really great in here. And then tomorrow we'll put the thing that we made over that and kind of bolt it in, and that'll be cool. And then the table will be done. Hopefully tomorrow. It'll have to dry for a few days, but it'll hopefully be done tomorrow. And then my lagoon setup is actually at the house, so when I go home, the lagoon setup is there, so I can get that set up when I get home. So I'm pretty excited. Don't have a whole lot left to do in the van, and then we'll do a little van tour for you guys. And until then, I will see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not already. Like this video, and please think about going and joining me over on Patreon. I really appreciate that. A couple bucks could get you a free Danny Ray Lives t-shirt. So peace.